Come on, it's time to wake up. We're gonna go outside. Oh, you. Oh, you need a belly rub to wake up. Yeah, my baby. Give you chin scratches too. Come on, let's get up, old man. The other dogs are ready to go out. Hershey, let's go outside. Come on. Let's go outside. Let's go. Come on, baby. Hershey had back surgery back in 2018, so sometimes his legs don't work. He was paralyzed, but now he can walk, but sometimes his legs don't work. And sometimes I have to give him a little, not a nudge. I just put my foot on his back to move, but I don't use any pressure. That's just a, hey, can you please move? Right. Now I'll get their treats lined up while they're outside. 1, 2, 3. Whatever dental treats I got from Costco, they do not like them. That's it. No, Hershey. Yes, Hershey. Yes. Ow.